the Tenyawek first. Land the name only a Tenyawek the private. The name a Tenyawek is private. When you say a Tenyawek, nobody will know who is a Tenyawek. I man I will think I will with the jam whether a Tenyawek a mendun, a Tenyawek rana kuma. And he had the title Kabir Fidola. And the title, there was the Rilam, but Okuma. So I do the dairy Kalamukalama Tenyawek. You must put the title first. You must put the title for video batak. You must identify a Tenyawek. A Tenyawek I man I will Pulukul. Madi Chubu, the Jana Batagum, the Majana Batagum. The Okuma is a doublement. So I be the Malu concerning, and this is advice. I be the Utumamalu concerning a Tenyawek. Put the title first. Minister of Information of South Sudan. Followed by who? A Tenyawek. What happened? What have you done? You identify him. La alam kulu. If you're talking to UN, if you're talking to human rights, if you're talking to British government or American government or Australian government, now you identify him by his title. Fukuma Dak. Minister of Information of South Sudan, Atenyawek. Waziri Lam, but I Junubu Sudan, Atenyawek. Now, he's a citizen but London, yes. Lakin as of now, quite well, Zolema citizen to London. Zolema citizen to London, my Katibule Kumsaket. Atenyawek Shagal Lokum da Junubu Sudan, that's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. Umozu put Okum da Junuf. The my citizen. Citizenship without London there have nothing to do with this. Have nothing to do with this. Citizenship without London there is zero. Is equal to zero. My shakal kolokol. Lano umoza puta okuma. Ran luika akuma, ran akuma. So jinsiye without there, but London there, my shakal. Chill jinsiye de bar, my shakal. It's not working. The my shakal. Kalam de my chila well community. Ashan jinsiye da my amalakumirap. Jinsiye de my shakal is equal to zero. Jinsiye but Atenyawek. Atenyawek bas the malls up but okuma but I Junubu Sudan. Feel it to begin from Malak. Mati ziru matanguzu. Atenyawek ashe man I will. Atenyawek the my citizen to London. Atenyawek rana kuma. Zol shakal mo kuma but South Sudan. Mato gulu kuma da Salvakir. Gulu kuma da South Sudan. London barbu kuma dak. Umad amal sanction lokuma dak. UN amal sanction lokuma dak. America amal sanction lokuma dak. So you don't need to explain yourself. Gul Junubu Sudan bas hukuma da Junubu Sudan. The minister but the information but hukuma da Junubu Sudan. America aizol barabu. Hukuma barabu kulu. Ba jad batal hukuma da gada amalu de. Alam barabu kulu. The shubru. So when you talk about him, don't worry about his citizenship. Now, kalamutum gada gul tunata well. That's the leja. Udalo grush. Ujai to kidnap, to kill, to do. Eshil Simon back. Fear jar katiru tumgare kalamu. You must be one too. Anona Junubin sometime bezel. Anona gare kalama jar katir. Anona gare kalama jar katir. Lisan batana de. Gare kalama jar katir. Dezel yo gare kalam. The question is, hello tumbare bin kalam de dagige. Kalam tumgare kalamu de. Dada Tenyawek ja. Mishi London. Ashanem shishil wale srare ja fi Junuf. To kidnap, to kill, to assassinate, to chunu. Ajadu tumgare kalamu de. Dagige. Fi agiga fo wudu munu minkum. Fizol minkum barib kalam de dagige. Lana. Dema Junubu Sudan de London. A country of the law. Ito mabamji sagar warazol budun ganun. Ito mamji warazol beganun based. You cannot just go after somebody and accuse somebody of something that's not true. Lana, if you do so, ito bokun criminal. Zole bokun victim. Atenyawek bokun victim. Ito bokun criminal. Lana, Atenyawek is protected by the law too in London. Atenyawek is well protected by the law in London. Mude chanu citizen. Lakin he's a diplomat. The Zolta Okuma. London barbu tamam ukitamal visa ja kaja fi matar uja for London. London kide is under protection ta London. He is under protection but our government but our London. Mashi batariga but our government our London. So kalamutum gade kalam bujwaye lele kalwel malwale da zole ja yaktul walade to kidnap him, to assassinate him, to do this, to do that. Kalamne nang in tautin fear giga fogo. Fear giga fogo. That's what you need to know first. Lana none about even kawaja tamam. Kawaja ma shagal ma zol white. Kawaja shagal ma akwa da zol bas. So when you accuse Minister of Information that uja to kidnap this man, young man, el kalam ne fi agi gafo nang en totin de kalam de pasal hawal. So lo ma fi agi gafo then he don't need to continue. Ba kalam zede. Lo atenye wek ma ji batari ga bataw. Ja London batari ga bataw, tariga bataw hukuma ol tariga bataw. O ma tariga ta walade then kalam tum ga de kalam social media you need to quit. You need to quit. You need to quit. Le lana atenye wek bokun victim. Atenye wek bokun victim. You are threatening him. You are threatening his life. And he had the right. You quit the police, you quit the hukumat London, that I did be Triga Batai, and I did be Mashwar Batai, and these people are threatening me. Now the Garamal Tadidle. Kide, atenye wek will be protected. Uzula Garamal threat de tabam jimakama. Tezola Gadade Zole tabam jimakama. Aji gande damul kwele wala sagara to mama amal. You will end up a criminal against him. Lana jadi de gade kalam kulu de lo mafia giga fogo. Lo mafia giga fogo kalam kidnapping, killing, which you know, mafia giga fogo. Zole do ak asha nepta balak. Lano gade ko minkum. Gade ko utum jay min kedeme community wide. You know very well how you got offered. So you must be warned. Kalam batagunda gade kalam fiyo de. Lo mafia giga fogo. Uzole maji batarega bataw. Utum gade kovas. Ashan zole do makela de zol chagal mokuma. He's working for the government. So you fear him. Da hak batagum shante kov minu. Lana hukuma da gada malajat batal. London baru kalam de. Hukuma da gada malajat batal. But up to now, zole mind to sanction. At anyone mind to sanction. He's not sanctioned by London. Isum bataw ma vi minaza gada malajat batal fi Juba. So much yesterday, I just Zaizul Bumji London. Maji got a ticket without Ukuma London Amalo welcome. He's not a criminal. You must be warned. He's not a criminal. You will make yourself a criminal. Lana, if you go at him, Batariga Batamalwal, that's a man malwal. Uzule Bau, O Aduniki Obao, Muni Obao, Muni Obao. Kalwel malwale kul social media de uma fi agiga fogo. Uma fi agiga fogo mind is bad. You have no agiga fi bele takawajat there is bad. It's bad. Anana gani bele takawajat we know how kawaja offered. Kawaja masaba. Kawaja mind sabu. Kawaja gadi sijin rais bitaw. Kawaja gadi sijin rais bitaw. Rais gadi kudu bisijin. Bekadif. So lo utumba ributum community ta well. Al-wagi ma Simon D. That's kalamutum ga de kalam social media de mafia giga fogo. It is just a matter of history. That dole jay and ektul ishil walede yuktulu ya mulukin up. Then you need to quit. You need to quit. Right away you need to quit. Lana tanyo weke de dizol shagal ma hukuma. Lo laga opportunity sagar but opportunity sagar that's ubad mag bataw fi London. That's tumgada mal ta'did leo. Tawale beshil zol fi mahakama. Beshil zol fi mahakama. Be kalam dere. Adani to bukut fi gida mahakama na kushin bata bukun pata agade you will never have nothing to say. Lana kalam de magig. Therefore, utum not a community wide. You all belong to one community. Atanya work into not for community well. Don't even think that Dolomite do not for community well. Atanya work into not for community well. Simon D do not for community well. Now the Mikela ta well ma well utum ja Mikela to hukuma bigger Mikela ta well ma well. Mikela kan bukun bita Junub Sudan kulu. Utum shale brakum. You playing this politics are the family. Utum marabin hukuma da Junub Sudan. If you want to talk about that government, don't talk about that government just like tell you work the wallet bitakum. Now, I tell you work the wallet bitakum. I tell you work the zol shagal for kuma dak. You must treat him as a government members. The zol shagal for parliament with the rilam but $1. Zol kabir fi dollar. They should. So, ma de shilu kalam de personal. Ashan tajib mushakal fi community awel. Lana wel ma shi shakal bro. If you're not careful, Tama gada sada well bakalam de. Tama ki the perfect a well will be divided into F. F de bada Tanyawak or F de bada Simon D. Ushakala Nama is not longer ben warap. Ma well tane de shakala ben a well ma well. Oh kadang ay white class. It is a warning. Don't do that. Be wise. Matamal kalam de. Kalam ma Tanyawak kay mo the buta hukuma. Now let's look at Simon D. Did you job Simon D? The hukuma da your job Simon D. The hukuma da your tara Simon D. Simon D mechi Europe. Bebar ashan hukuma batal. O Simon D now got the privilege for asylum to be protected by London. So Lord, tell you what ja wara Simon D. Ashan msugu Simon D jao. Then Simon D is a good case. Then Simon D into a winning case. I just Simon D bugulu bazle hukuma. Simon D bro. You don't have to caution. Kulukul. You do not have to caution. The bro yobamji lo hukuma ta London. That's nafsu hukuma yamda kan taradana. When I came here illegally to London in search of protection, the hukuma de. As a fizul resolu fi Junubu Sudan, Zol Banado, Minister of Information, Atanyawak, resolu to do anything bad to me. Resolution yamalaja batal. To kidnap me, to kill me, to do anything. So Anna got a cop. Minajaz zede. They are jada jabana fi London de. The wale. London beshil zole. Wale de. Albanaro Simon D de. Will beshil Malta to be protected. Then London government will go to Atanyawak. London will go to Atanyawak. Azola iti jega lokuma ay. Ajabu chunini. Ana jaba kalam hukuma. Hukuma ya tu hukuma da juba. Chokol bata junufu hukuma da. Ana wuziri lambu da hukuma da. Aljaba gini junufu London. Dere is bata ga rosalita ulti maji batarega bata. Karijiba waraga de jit bewde. Oh, ana citizen ta London. No. Ito pa citizen ta London. Ito chakal $1 tani. For how long you been working with that government? Kawaja laka chokol kalas. For how long you been working with that government? You are a citizen of London now. You don't pay tax here. It is Shagal for Hukuma da Junub Sudan. And you don't pay tax for London. You are a citizen here. I the bigger kalas. Bigger make like a big yo jirima yore. Yo jirima takawaje yore. And then you work Shagal for Hukuma da guy. Hukuma da dola tani. It is citizen batana. It is mabat for tax and you don't do nothing here. Hey, the mushakala koi. Kede kawaja sedem ma tanyawek. Ina said Atanyawak barja juba Atanyawak bamsugu. Bamsugu be legal term that ushagal fi dola tani umabat fa tek fi dola de. Shagal fi dola tani umabat fa tek. Talga inu business fi Malta ana za umabat fa tek. Na the million bisijin fi London de kalam tek de mekila jirim. De jirima kabir. Itama bukun citizen but London or but America which is shagal fi dola tani. Which mabat fa tek fi dola batak America. America basi bita pat laluman made kalam da zakin yom fi mikila asal chaga sagar zere kalas they will get you. What will happen here? Wale de banaru Simon D budilo awrak bataw butura so wale ba mulo proof that zole de hukuma da junub yo taradu. That's why ja fi London illegally was a hukuma ja warao. Case bada zole intaka de bigger quest. Simon D gede budilo awrak bata London. Hukuma da Junub Sudan mindu jurisdiction ashana shil zol fi Malta ni. Ajade kada mulu fi Kenya fi dola ta Arab. Ajade beshilu zole fi hukuma da Junub beshilita fi dola ta Arab. Tama dola ta kawajad. So tum family bata well ma de cough min zole. Zole ma ba malaje le wala de calls. Nothing. Mindu guo kulukul. Lo jerabu bukuj bisijin belede. Bukuj Atanyawak de bukuj bisijin ma barja Junub Sudan tani. Lo Europe kalam da. Puduta wala da. لكن انتم كمان لو انتم عمل غلط وانتم قاعد كذب في الدود بتاعه عنده حق كمان يفتح بلاك في الدود بتاعكم. عنده حق عشان يفتح بلاك في الدود بتاعكم. حكومة كواجه ده ما شغال بدول وايد. حكومة كواجه ده شغال بحق بس وقانون. لندن ده بلد قانون. But having said that, the London the بلد قانون crime are committed in London كمان ناس بقتلوا في لندن. بيجرم ببيو بضرب بيتها بعربية ولا بضرب بيتها بسلاح. أجاد في لندن، أجاد في أمريكا، أجاد في كندا. So لو كلامنا ده حقيقة that's أتنوى جاب بجروج عشان بي ولا ده برا dan توالي إدعاء في السوشيال ميديا ده سيبو. إدعاء في السوشيال ميديا ده سيبو. السوشيال ميديا ده ما بيلكم. تفهمش لو حكومة لندن كاي community well to protect Simon D. إدعاء كتير في السوشيال ميديا ده سيبو لبغناس. لكن ناس كبار الدير عمل حاجة كويس لسايمون دي. أمشي لو حكومة لندن that's life بتاع ولا ده is in danger. حكومة رسل دول حكومة البطال اللي بقتل في ناس في جنوب السودان ده. Don't forget family تا ولا ده مسكو خلاص. family تا سايمون دي عنده good case against that government. سايمون دي عنده case تمام against that government. لأن حكومة ده مسك family بتاعه. واسا حكومة ده جا وراه. داير مسكه في دولة تاني. كده ده شغل بتاع لندن عشان التاني ده يمسكوه. لأن لندن بعده بتمام حكومة دا كير إنها بقتل الناس. You know? So you have nothing to fear of. You have nothing to be afraid of. Well, day is not in danger. In any eye. In any way. لكن التاني ممكن يبيو زول. لو ده حقيقة yes. ناس قاعد يبيو في لندن زول بقتل زول. جروج ده بطال. So لو أنتم متأكدين التاني ده جاب جروج عشان يبيو ولا ده برا. Dan amchi le hukuma ta London utu ma derin Facebook utu derin hukuma ta London the man nas the human right the man is already under protection but London. Simon D is already under protection ta London into case with hukuma da gata bar bakalam hukuma da batal hukuma da alam bar bu tamam do hukuma batal do hukuma boktul fi shab. So lo hukuma da wasal fi London ga da firi nas fi London. Then London will do something. Atani wale bakuti bisijin tawali ma bishub junu Sudan tane. Ma yakdibu lekum uzole jinsiya bada juno. Alqaad bisijin fi London de kullu ma de nas waladu fi balade. De nas waladu fi London. Al malyan mijrim de mijrim. Lo atani wale de mijrim uja warazole. Then atani wale is a criminal. Lakin lo tummeshi saket bano galat. Watani we kutum gada de do beluga bata beluga bada welle wed man uchunu da de atani we gre bamji lo kuma da London da ya kwana. I came here on my own. I'm just minding my business. I don't know le na del gada kul gala jaine to kill somebody naktul munu fi London ya kwana zana gada ko mi nazere. Then atani we become a victim. Do not make him a victim. Do not make Atanyeweg a victim. Sometimes anana junubinde we talk. Ata anana zol bedekal zol fi jirima zol der saadu de. Simon D de nothing can happen to him. Nothing. Absolutely zero. Ma fi Simon D berjaw fi junub. Ma fi Simon D boktulu. Or assassination or chunu a nation will never happen. Simon D is well protected by London government, British government. Simon D into case. He came because of Hukuma al-Makweze, Hukuma al-Boktul Vishaf. So the members of that government follow him to London. Then London will be glad to deal with Atanyewek. Lakin utum nas bata well madere died with social media. Amshi mukta bata London. Mukta bata hukuma. Dama mukta bata human right. Dama mukta bata munu. Zole ma gad fi yeta human right. Zole gad fi Simon D gad fi yeta hukuma. Lawyer bata, they call him a government lawyer. Lawyer shakal my immigration. The lawyer that will make decision. The munu bo go to London. Or the munu bo tarodo. The lawyer ta hukuma. He's a government lawyer. The man not the human right. Kalam human right fi Junub Sudan now. The man fi kalam human right fi London. Fi ganun bas fi London. Dole ma gaad fi London bakalam human right. O gaad fi London bakalam Michael Alfi fi Junuf. And he must be protected by London law. Wale lemin maja masagu gaad fi immigration. Protected by London law. Ulo fizol jam in Junub Sudan banado atanyewek ugadi fridge fi welede, then London will be more heavy. Acha atanyewek de sejenu. Be sejenu? Atanyewek de be sejenu? Lakin atanyewek ma be sejenu be kidif. Atanyewek ma be sejenu be kidif. Be sejenu ba gige. Lana atanyewek will have a right to defend himself. So utum community well. Check out the social media there. Atanyewek de to amal zede to Janata well. Atanyewek ma Janata well. Atanyewek shagal maukuma. When you're malele gedam, when you want to talk about him, good title batao. Minister of Information, but that's South Sudan, to make your case. Now when you talk about Atanyewek barao, ma bizul bad about Atanyewek, they come Atanyewek fi Malwan. How many Atanyewek guard fi Malwan? Min ma digi to go but Atanyewek, how many Atanyewek do you have? Too many Atanyewek. So how do we know who you're talking about? The world will never know what you're talking about. Identify Zole by title batao. Zole jaya amalaya batal the walede, then go to the government. But London. Government, walede guy fieta government. Lawyer batao, the lawyer with our government. For immigration, we need to decal vidola tan and Misaguita. Only lawyer with our government will make this decision whether you will stay in America or you will be deported. The lawyer at government. Lawyer but is nothing. Idea is defend Fieta government Marquez Batak. Why do you fear your country? Lady, you think that Boktuluita, Fibelet Batak. Nas Batay Mesako. Dekas Tamam. Family Batay Kulu Sajeno. De Kalam Simon D. Bugul London family Batay Kulu Kuma de Sajeno. What's our Kuma de Resol Rai? So I fear for my life. I need protection. Zola is capable. That government is capable of killing people. Now, fi kalam bogolo ne that's wale da banado mono Simon D. They private citizen. Now you wrong. Simon D. Mind you different ma tenewek. Simon D. Mind you frek ma tenewek. Simon D. is not a private citizen. To my well, that's my kalam no quest. Simon D is not a private citizen. Simon D is a public figure. Atanyewek is a public figure. Michael, I